Right, welcome to the giffgaff APN setup walkthrough on Android 2.3. I'd like to show you how to set up your Android device in order to take advantage of giffgaff's internet settings. So first of all, what I'd like to do is I'd like to open up the settings function on your phone. If you press the center button, you'll be presented with a list of your applications, and then we can scroll down to the settings, which you'll find here, and that will arrive you at your settings page, where you will choose the wireless and networks option at the top of the page. We're now going to scroll down to the bottom of the wireless and network settings to the mobile networks, which you'll find at the bottom. And you want to select the mobile networks at the bottom, and then we're going to choose the access point name. So as you can see, we don't have any giffgaff APN set up on this particular phone, so what we're going to do is use the hardware button that you'll find on the bottom of your phone, on the front of it, to select the new APN option, which you'll find down the bottom left. And once we've got that, you can see now that we have the APN setup screens, edit the access points. So we'll start with the name, where we will type in the name of the access point, which we want to make it obvious which one it is. So we'll write giffgaff in here, and then we can choose OK. We then need to set up the APN details, and the APN is at giffgaff.com. We don't need to worry about the proxies or the ports, so the next thing we need to enter is the username, and the username for the APN is giffgaff. And we then want to set up the password, which is password. So for those of you that are just setting up the internet connection on your phone, that's all you need to do. We can use the hardware button at the bottom of the phone to save this APN details, and you're good to go. For those of you that are more that are interested in the multimedia and MMS settings, we can go to the MMSC setting below the password, and we need to type in slightly more convoluted details here. We do http://mmsc.mediamessaging.co.uk:8002. Once we've got that in correctly, we can then choose OK, and we want to then set up the MMS proxy. This is a numeric value, which is 193.113.200.195. When we're happy with that, we can choose OK, and we're set on that one. The MMS port is the next thing that we need to select, and the port number is 8080. Again, choose OK, and we can then go down and select the MCC value, that's 234, and the final thing that we need to set is the MNC value to 10, which it is already. And that's it. Once we have completed filling out those details, we can then choose the save option from the hardware button at the bottom left of the screen. And as you can see now, the giffgaff APN has been created, and not only created, but you need to make sure that the green button is on the giffgaff APN. That's it. We reboot the phone, and we should be set to use the giffgaff internet connections on your Android phone. Happy giffgaffing.